Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing some Nutrisystem dinner ideas, how to make them more delicious, still nutritious, but more filling. And if you guys are interested in watching more healthy lifestyle videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. For my first dinner idea, I'm starting off with the meatballs in marinara sauce. For this, you will need bell peppers, basil leaves, and some fresh mozzarella. We're going to stuff the peppers, so we need to cut the tops off and empty out the inside and all of the seeds. Now you can choose any kind of bell peppers you want. I just tend to choose the green ones because they tend to be the least expensive. Then I'm going to cut the mozzarella into a few thinnish slices. I'm placing these in a dish, that way they sit upright, and at 400 degrees we are going to bake these for about 20 minutes. Now it is time for the meatballs. So no surprise here, we're going to use one of these peppers to put all of the meatballs in. We're going to put a little bit of fresh mozzarella on top, or a lot depending on what your preference is. We're going to put our basil leaf on top of the mozzarella and stick this back into the oven for approximately 15 more minutes. And this is what it looks like when it's done. Now, if you're wondering what the second bell pepper is for, this is a second dinner idea. You can get some white rice or preferably brown rice. I just didn't have brown rice. And then grab some vegetables, whichever ones you like. I have broccoli and mushrooms on hand, so I am stuffing the rest of this with that. Then you can add a little bit of mozzarella on top of that one too if you desire, and this is what they look like when it is complete. And trust me, they are delicious. Going for the taste test here. And yep, this is where it's at. The second dinner idea is for this flatbread pizza, which I must admit is not very filling on its own, so we are going to change that. So the first thing you're going to need is some healthy toppings. I chose spinach, some mushrooms, and tomatoes, and then of course some more basil. Now it's time to stack all of my delicious toppings, and guys, I mean, these are vegetables, so do not hesitate on the amount that you're going to put on here. Trust me, it's just going to make it taste a whole lot better. Now I'm taking more basil here, and guys, do not underestimate the power of fresh herbs. It makes things taste so much better. Now we are baking this in the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 to 7 minutes. And oops, I left mine in for about 10 minutes by accident, but it still looks good. Time for the taste test. Last in our ideas for this Nutrisystem beef stew. It's pretty tiny on its own, as you can see, so we are going to add some extra ingredients. So first I am going to add a little bit of broccoli and some sliced mushrooms. In a pan, I'm going to steam up a little bit of broccoli, so I just put a little bit of water down toward the bottom, and I'm going to add a top, let it steam out a little bit, and then I will be adding the mushrooms to it. I'm going to stir it around a little bit more until everything is a little bit tender. Then for some extra flavor, I'm going to be adding some rosemary leaves to this. I'm going to heat up the beef stew for 1 minute, and meanwhile I'm going to start adding the broccoli and the mushrooms to my bowl. Then I'm going to add the beef stew right on top, mix it up, and that's pretty much it. Pretty easy, but this makes all the difference when trying to keep your tummy filled. And time for the last taste test. Drum roll, please. Alright guys, that was it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future videos. I love you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!